step for method study application. How to apply method study for practically learning objectives, steps for conducting a method study. How to conduct a method study procedure. What are the steps in conducting a method study? Application of method study is undertaken because of a situation where a gap in performance was identified and it was due to some issues related to the way work was carried out. This is shown in the following process flowchart. If the reason for underperformance was due to the way work was carried out, then it should be resolved through a comprehensive method study of the task work at hand. Conducting a method study involves execution of 8 sequential steps at a row, as shown in the following high-level process flowchart. Now let us delve into each step in greater details, exploding to next level of the process flow of method study. Select work. As an I officer, how would you select work operation among a set of work operations that need intervention of method study? Record relevant information. The next step in the basic procedure, after selecting the work to be studied, is to record all the facts relating to the existing method. Please note that these charts and diagrams will not be discussed in detail at this module, but will be introduced later during the course. Examine critically the way work is performed. What should be critically examined? The purpose, place, sequence, and the method of current working should be critically examined. Why should be relevant information critically examined? Relevant information is critically examined to simplify the method of working and how combine operations and the non-value adding operations. Develop the most practical, economical, and effective method. Evaluate alternatives to develop new improved method. The develop stage of the method study procedure should result in proposed changes to existing ways of carrying out the work under review. In many instances, however, the method study highlights several possible changes and therefore a few potential new methods. Define the improved method. How do we define the improved method? It is desirable to prepare a written standard practice, also known as an operative instruction sheet. Why do we prepare an operative instruction sheet? To record improved method as a future reference. It can be used to explain the new method to management, supervisors, and operatives. It also advises all concerned, including the works engineers, of any new equipment required or of changes needed in the layout of machines or workplaces. It is an aid to training or retraining operatives and can be used by them for reference until they are fully conversant with the new method. Installing the improved method, installation is divided into 5 stages. Gaining acceptance of the change by management, gaining acceptance of the change by production supervisors, gaining acceptance of the change by employees and their representatives, preparing to make changes, and controlling the changeover. Maintaining the new method. Action by the work study department is necessary to maintain the application of the new method. Because human nature being what it is, workers and supervisors or charge hands will tend to allow a drift away from the method laid down if there is no check. Verify at regular intervals. The improved method as defined is in fact in use.